welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Janea, and already you know I can say, I promise you I would have slime, but I don't, guys. So, yeah. Let's see what I can do. So, my hair's awful. Why would you wet? Yeah, guys, so I have this thing in my hair, so I have to tuck it out. I'll go show you what I have to do, guys. So, I'm just going to look in the fridge to see what I can get. No candy apple.
Yeah, we do my brother.
I'm going to freeze it. I'm in the freezer, guys. Now I'm going to turn on for some water. Hi guys, I'm back with the water. And I'm going to put y'all on the refrigerator. Got something in the freezer. Isn't this fun, guys?
What are you doing, Nia? What are you doing? Okay.
Yeah,
Hi guys, I'm her
the
own
fridge.
twin sister, guys.
Gonna get put something out the fridge. I'm gonna get me an apple, the last apple, and yeah.
Guys, let me show you her slime, guys. Let's go. She made some, guys. I'm just gonna put them on me. Guys,
No, you want it? Oh, got it. I'll put it right here.
guys, she makes some really cool DIY. This is her bowl. I'm just cleaning the bowl out a little. Got some water. I'm gonna put the water in the bowl. But guys, I'm gonna let her use one of my sticks, my slime sticks, to make her slime in, guys, because I play with her slime. God, look at her slime, guys. Like, let's show her how to like put the camera. Come on the table. Come over the table. Come, guys. Bring the sucker. Come right here. Come right here.
I told Aaron I would have bring slime tomorrow. I had told Aaron I would have bring slime tomorrow.
So then she gonna be sitting out tomorrow. And she don't do her homework. Erin always used to do her homework in 3rd grade. But guys, I have some slime for my sister. This is mine. Come here. This is her slime, guys. I'm using it for my vlog. Go talk to my vlog. Go talk to my vlog. She loves talking to my vlog. Because my vlogs really love her.
I'm going. Can I put up the slime?
Guys, let me show her slime. Look at the DIY thing. You on YouTube? Look, guys, look at the slime. I'm gonna pass it on to her, and I'm gonna talk about the slime. Push them to the side. I just took it off the cap to put it in the bowl.
Apple, guys.
Oh, there's another apple, guys. Gotta switch it together. What's that?
Something with my apple?
Guys, I'm about to eat I'm about to eat healthy because I'm getting a little bloomer. Guys, look at me. You guys, look at me.
And me said this today.
Guys, look at me. And I'm getting my stomach is not getting much slimmer. But I'm getting slimmer. Let me show y'all. Guys, and I'm getting slimmer.
Yeah, guys, she's getting slimmer.
No, is someone getting for real slimmer? No, because y'all can't see me. See me.
Yeah, I was going to do that.
Guys, is I'm getting really slimmer? Guys, I have slime here. I like this. Guys, comment down below if y'all want us to do a reaction to your Musically, guys. I have Musically, and I'm going to react to it today. In my vlog. You end the vlog? Huh? You must end the vlog? No. End it because you're going to do Musically. I do Musically? Yeah. We out. I can stop eating healthy.
I'm not ending off your vlog.
You want to keep talking about the slime?
The thing is, I can't get off it. Where's the worst thing ever? Help me, sister.
Wait, what up? Got slime all over her hand, guys. Oh man.
I want this all off. I want the whole thing off. I don't want to waste it.
Let me get some of my hand, bro. Okay, that's good. Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Oh, you gonna pull off the slime. Give me the bowl. Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand.
I'm peeling it off.
But we out. Pew. I got some slime on my hand, guys. Some slime. Slime. Kind of like a rub it against my sister bottom.
This not going musically.
Huh?
Go musically.
We out. Peace.
You were still in that vlog yet?